You searched how to buy shares of Hewlett Packard. Here is a clear, short guide. Hewlett Packard is a global technology company known for printers and personal systems, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker HPQ. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search, type the ticker HPQ, and select the matching listing for Hewlett Packard. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart so you can confirm it's the correct HPQ listing on NASDAQ. Check market hours and available order types shown on the page. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After buying, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to visit the platform.